Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do another Shein haul. I believe the last Shein haul was back in September. So it's been a few months and every time I wear like a new outfit on my Instagram, you guys always ask me where everything is from and 90% of the time it's from Shein. I'm wearing head to toe Shein. So I thought might as well just do a haul. So let's just get started with today's video. By the way, if you're not already following me on my Instagram, you totally should because I'm hosting one giveaway every single day till the end of the year. So a total of 15 giveaways. So do follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to leave all the details down below. By the way, I have a code. I'm going to pop it up on the screen. You can use that to get some percentage off on the website. I'm not going to earn anything out of it. Shein just sent it to me, so I'm just going to pop it up. If it helps you use it, that's all right. I'll make sure to link it in the description box as well. Now, most of these items that I see in front of me are winter wear, which is quite ironic because I live in Mumbai and summer, winter, autumn, everything is the same. But still, I've ordered a bunch of sweaters which I'll never be able to wear unless I'm filming a video or if I'm traveling. But either ways, let's start with this sweater. So this is what it looks like. It's this beautiful neon pink. Now, pink is my favorite color, but I never really wear pink. But this just drew me in and I had to get it. And I've worn it in a couple of videos. I don't know if they're already live, but it looks so nice on. It's very comfortable, really good quality as well. I got another sweater. This has a turtleneck. This is a all-in-one size. Okay, so it's whatever I got. So it's pretty long. You could totally wear it as a dress. I've already worn this once for an event that I went to with like a skirt, which was again from Shein. But I loved the combination. Again, very soft, very comfortable, and I'm sure this would totally keep you warm. So if you're from Delhi or any other part of the world which has winters, this should work for you. The last sweater that I have is very festive. It's this reindeer wala red color ka sweater. The next item, I don't even know why I called for it because it's a straight up trench coat and it's heavy, it's long and it's really warm. It's in the size small. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty actually. So in the past I have ordered like coats, trench coats from Shein, and not all of them have been of the best quality because for the most part Shein is a very like hit or a miss. For the most part it is a hit, which is a good thing, but there are like a few misses, and I've always had misses when it came to like coats, but this time it's definitely a hit. I can totally feel it. It's so high quality, and I think this should keep you warm because the lining is pretty thick. Not to add, it's so fashionable. Like, I don't know when I'll wear it. I hope I get to go somewhere where I can wear this. By the way, this also comes with a belt, like a matching print wala belt. I have another jacket option for the winters. It is this leather jacket. I've never really owned a leather jacket. Like, I have worn leather jackets in the past, but I would always borrow them from my cousin's sister and wear them. I've never owned one myself, so this is the one. Again, very high quality. Like, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Like, the design isn't cheap either. I've again worn this in one of my videos. I don't know if that's up already, but has silver hardware all around it. I don't know if this would keep you warm though because it has this plasticky raincoat material lining. So I'm not sure about the warmth aspect, but definitely super stylish. So I completely forgot to show you guys these two dresses that I got. It's a very different kind of style, but frills are really in fashion and I really like them on me. So I got this black one and I actually ended up wearing this to an event that I attended last night. The second dress too has that frill going on and it's in this beautiful periwinkle blue sort of a color. I absolutely love this dress. I wore this for the K by Katrina event and I got so many compliments on this dress. Again, another item that caught me off guard because I've never really had very many hits when it comes to bottoms from Shein, but I ordered these jeans, high-waisted bell bottoms, and I think, yeah, these are in extra small. So you guys always ask me what sizes I get. So for the most part, I always get a small, but especially if I want an item to fit me like really well, so for like a bodycon dress or like a mini skirt and jeans, I will always go for an extra small. And getting an extra small was the best idea ever because this fits me like a glove. It is a little bit long on me, like if I don't wear heels, it's a little long. If I wear heels, it's the perfect amount and it makes me look so tall. I'm not even that tall and makes me look really nice and tall. Now the next item is so unlike me, like I never wear stuff like this. It's a velvet midi skirt. Like on the website it looked like a midi skirt, but on me it's a maxi skirt. This was a small again. I love the color of it. It's very soft, again very good quality. I'm really shocked this time. Does it have a lining? Yes, it also has a lining inside, so that's nice. And it also comes with a belt, a white belt. I'm really confused as to how I will style it. I've tried to like think of different like options, but I'm not able to figure it out. I'm really excited to play with this piece. I have another bottom. It is this denim skirt. Now I did pick this one up in a small. I wish I picked it up in an extra small because it's a little loose on me. When I wear a belt, it's perfect. Like the denim quality also is really nice. Like my biggest concern when it comes to buying denim stuff is that the denim shouldn't look like cheap and like sasta wala type, but it looks really high quality and fits me really well. The rips are also really nice, so I would give it a thumbs up, but just make sure about the sizing and how it fits you, because honestly no matter how pretty a skirt is, like how well made, how good the quality is, but if it doesn't fit you well, it just ruins the entire look. So make sure to go and like figure out the size chart. Can it even be a Mridul Sharma Shein haul without coordinates? So I have two coordinates. The first one is this pink tie-dye shorts with a jacket on top. Now I'm not the kind of person who has too many issues with like the fabric of a material. Like I don't really care about the fabric of a material, but this definitely I could see people not liking. It's a very cheap material. Like if you've ever been to like Hill Road, Colaba Causeway, like some items are made up of this sort of material. I don't know what it's called. Maybe it has a bit of polyester with cotton, I believe. I still need to try it out. And I honestly, again, another piece, I don't know why I picked it up. It's not my style. It's so neon. But I'll figure something out. Maybe for like a photo shoot it'll look cool. Okay, I'm really happy with the second coordinate set that I got. It's this beautiful emerald green color ka tracksuit, which has those like classic Adidas stripes on the sides. Has pockets also. It has a nada and it comes with this jacket, which is also really nice. So really soft. It's like the satin material, not the softest satin though, but manageable. Like it's really nice, really fashionable. Alright, the last item is a weird one. Like you wouldn't just buy this out of the blue. I'm not gonna wear it yet, so I'm just gonna pop up a picture of what the dress looks like on the model, because I originally bought this dress for my 200k ka picture, like 200k subscribers, but by the time I got this, we were already at like 210k subscribers. So by the way, thank you so much for 200k, you guys. I'm so happy. But anyways, I'm saving this for my maybe 250k subscribers or maybe 300. I don't know. I mean, but I'm definitely gonna get a picture with this because it's stunning. Like the dress is beautiful. Haven't actually worn it yet, so I can't really give you a review as to how it fits me, but probably you'll see an image of me wearing this on my Instagram. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. It's really fun to make Shein hauls always, so let me know if you want more. I would love to make them. And follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.